A video clip of Senate Minority Leader Franklin Drilon went viral online. It showed Drilon seemingly dozing off during an interview with CNN Philippines' Pinky Webb. He was caught on camera with his chin resting on his chest.
Sir, here we go. There is a joint resolution, aside from the letter that was signed by Congressman Alvarez and House Speaker Alan Peter Cayetano.
Netizens were quick to comment. Other netizens showed concern, raising awareness on Drilon's possible medical condition.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.